Hotel rooms should be relaxing, and that can be difficult with disruptive noise coming from above. If there is no sound barrier to prevent this noise transfer, complaints and damaging guest reviews can occur. Modular PVI carpet tile cushion from Tred-MOR can help. Modular PVI is a passive vibration isolation barrier that isolates a floor from the source of sound energy vibration. When used under most floor types, the transmission of sound vibration created by activity on the floor becomes largely isolated and absorbed while passing through the ceiling, reducing the amount of sound heard from below. Modular PVI works so well, in fact, customers are reaching out to tell us how great it is, including Terry from Holiday Inn Express and Suites.
Our owners bought a Best Western hotel that we converted into a Holiday Inn Express and Suites. And once we opened, we noticed that our scores weren't what they should have been on the guest love scores that IHG has. The biggest issues that we were having was noise. While they were in their room, they heard people walking every step above them. This went on for a few months, and we realized that this was a real important issue that we needed to address. We called the manufacturer of the carpet tiles. So they gave me the name Tred-MOR that would work with our application. We did about 3 rooms. First, we would go in the room underneath the room he was working in, and we would have him walk around the room, and we could hear how bad it really was. We've since done the whole hotel, and it's really made a difference in our scores. Under your feet, it was more like home. It wasn't just hard next to the subfloor. It completely dispersed the noise of the walking up above you. And we're so happy with the way it all turned out, because now my guest scores have skyrocketed, really. We're in the superior bracket, and we're about to hit elite, which is the highest scores you can have.